Good morning. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is called Exploiting on Bluetooth on Android mobile device for home security using GSM. In this project, I am using ARM7 LPC2148 and some sensors. Those are 5 sensors I was used: temperature, smoke, intruder, and one fire sensor and one LDR sensor. Those are the data will continuously displayed on the 16x2 LCD display. And after that I am using two driver ICs, transistor driver ICs BC547, and one is cooling fan, another one is the alarm. So I am using one Max 232. It's a level converter, voltage level stabilization IC, and one GSM module SIM 900 modem, and one Bluetooth BTM005 module. Let us coming into the hardware part. So in hardware I was used battery power source. You can use as per your requirement. You can use 12 volt adapter or else you can use anything. Here I am using one transformer. It's a step down transformer, 9 volts output AC that was connected to the bridge rectifier. So here I am using one bridge rectifier, 1N4007 diode. So after that I am using one filter capacitor, 1000 microfarad 25 volt electrolytic capacitor, and after that I was used one LM7805 regulator. Most digital logic circuits and processors need 5 volts power supply, so that's why I was designed 5 volts power supply. So here I am using one LM1117 fixed 3.3 volts regulator. When the power is on, that regulator will generate 3.3. So here we are using an ARM7 LPC2148. We are using an total 64 pin IC, quadrupole, dual in package line, QDIP. Total 2 port 0 and port 1. Port 0 consists of 0.0 to 0.31, total 32 pin. Port 1 we are using port 1.16 to port 1.31, total 16 pin. It can execute 16-bit architecture and as well as 32-bit architecture. And this is an development board. So we are using an port 0. Here this is 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on to the controller, that should be continuously displayed onto the LCD. And we are using some sensors. One is the temperature sensor, that output is engine cooling fan, and we are using one smoke sensor, MQ2 smoke sensor by gas sensor. It was connected with P0.30 and this was connected P0.28 ADC. This is fire sensor, LDR sensor. Fire output is buzzer, smoke output is buzzer, LDR output is I was used two LEDs. If there is any dark, that LED should be on. Light, if I was block the LDR, if light is present, that LDR should be off. So I was used one sensors. This is intruder sensor. When any intruder occur, it will give you the SMS mobile alert. So here I was used one Bluetooth module BTM005. First of all, when we want to connect the Samsung phone or the Android phone, must and should we have to download one app, that is Bluetooth SPP app. When the Bluetooth app is downloaded, must and should we have to pair that Bluetooth module. Using an pairing, we have to give the password 1234. When it is established connection, that green color LED should be on. It is continuously blinking. When it is paired, that LED should be off. And after that, the data will be received in a format that is connected real-time mode, and after that real-time the Bluetooth is okay, we will get that continuously outputs. Here we are using one GSM modem SIM 900 module it is working under 9600 baud rate. You send 2G modem. We can send SMS to the authorized mobile. So here we are using two transistors. These two transistors are output for the fan, cooling fan, and the alarm. So let us coming into the working mode of execution. So these are two switches. One is ISP switch, another one is the reset switch. When we want to execute, we have to give exploiting Bluetooth on, Android mobile devices for home, security system. So the GSM is initialized. When the GSM is initialized, it will give for T for temperature, S for smoke, L for LDR, F for fire, I for intruder. Let us, first of all, I'll give you that temperature. So I am using one dope stick. When the temperature is increases, I am using the temperature sensor. In that temperature I was increasing. Let us observe on the, like, I am giving T 24, 24, 24, 34, 42, 45 is my set point. If the 45 and above, it is giving a cooling fan and it is sending the SMS. It's an authorized mobile. The authorized mobile will receive one SMS. Like that, the temperature is high. The temperature is high. We will get one SMS. The temperature is high temperature 47 degree, and we will receive another SMS. The temperature is 51. So that cooling fan, if it is below 45, the temperature should be below 45, the cooling fan will be off. So after that, I am using one smoke. So this is also smoke sensor. So I am using the smoke onto the smoke sensor. If it is smoke and above, the SMS, how much the smoke is present, sending SMS. So I received one SMS. Okay, you can observe. So you can see that temperature, how much the temperature it is present. So smoke alert, so smoke is 248. Suppose that LDR, so we can continuously get the data on my app also. So here I was closed with my hand, LDR, that LED should be on, nothing will be, SMS is not present. If I am using any fire, so onto the fire sensor in front, otherwise we can give the matchbox also. So I am giving fire onto the fire sensor. So fire alert, yes, fire alert, sending SMS. I received one SMS. That SMS is called, you get the fire alert. Yes, fire alert. Okay. So suppose any unauthorized person is entered into some secured area, will get the SMS called I for intruder, sending SMS. So we will receive one SMS. That SMS is called, we will some unauthorized person entered into that security place. So we received one SMS. Intruder detected. So at the same time we will send the SMS, some any unauthorized intruder, we will send the some police station and so and so. At the same time, whatever the process is going on, that continuously displayed onto the Google Android phone, the data will be received from that app also. So if there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.